Going to my book club, babe.
Okay. Have fun.
Best book club ever.
How was your treatment, ladies?
So good.
We should do this next month.
We do offer monthly memberships.
Sign me up.
Yes, I'm so there.
Where's Brittany? Hey, Brett, how was your book? What book?
Honey, I'm home.
Hey, babe, I'm in the kitchen. How was book club?
Oh my god. That was everything that I needed. Thank you.
I guess I need to start reading some more books.
Visit meltedmassage.com.